Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bhumika and today I'm going to talk about hair care. So my hair was really lacking some extra nourishment and care. I haven't got anything done since the entire last one whole year. Even though there are so many products in the market right now in the hair care segment, there was something missing. Recently I got my hands on the deep treatment packs. It's a new launch by Biolage and it comes in 3 different variants. We have the Biolage Ultra Hydra Source pack, which has aloe and spirulina extract, and it's a deep treatment for dry hair. Then we have the Color Last pack, which is for color treated hair, and it has orchid plus apricot seeds. And finally we have the Smooth Proof pack, which has camellia and castor oil, and it is meant for frizzy hair. So since my hair is not colored, the color treatment pack is not much for me, and I have normal hair. Sometimes it gets dry, but it's mostly normal, but I definitely have frizz, so I tried the Smooth Proof pack. Now the deep treatment packs have superfoods in them. Every variant has prominent superfoods, and they have the highest concentration of the caring ingredients, and hence you see instant results. Within the first use you will definitely see a huge difference, and that is why it is 90% more effective than a normal conditioner. I absolutely love the packaging and how the product matches the outside color, and different variants have different colors, so it is easy to distinguish as well. And each variant is priced at Rs 350, and we have 100 ml here, so you need very little amount for each section of your hair. So one tube will last you at least a few months. It is like a weekend Sunday pampering kind of thing for your hair, and you use this in place of a conditioner. Let me quickly show you how to use it. So you shampoo your hair as per usual and rinse out all the water just like you do for a conditioner. I'm currently using the same Biolage shampoo, conditioner and serum which I had shown in my previous video. I'll link that video up on the iCard and even in the bottom bar, so you can check that video out. Yes, I absolutely love that shampoo and the serum, especially the serum. So I've used that Biolage shampoo and washed my hair, rinsed out all the excess water. You section your hair in small parts, apply the product, a little bit of it on every section, and twist the hair, and then you can just keep it as it is if you have short hair, or you can tie it up and just let it infuse the product for 3 minutes. And yes, you need just 3 minutes for a deep treatment, which is absolutely amazing. And then you just wash your hair as per usual and finish off with a serum. So yeah, that's about it, and I am absolutely in love with the results. My hair is definitely less frizzy, and it's pretty smooth. As I've used the Smooth Proof variant, I can see the difference in smoothness, and the frizz is very less or almost negligible. There is no frizz right now, which is amazing. I absolutely love my hair, and these are my before after shots. As you can see, my hair is definitely much more smoother and sleeker, and there's a lot of healthy shine as well. You can definitely see the nourishment and shine in the hair, and yes, I absolutely love the results, and I'm pretty impressed with it. And I highly recommend using it at least once a week, if not twice. If you can use it twice a week, you will get better results. But I use it once a week because I'm not washing my hair a lot in the lockdown because I'm just at home. So yes, it definitely gets a big thumbs up from me, and at 350 it is a total value for money. I'll leave the link in the info box below so you can check it out. And yeah guys, that's about it. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you try out the product, and if you do let me know how you find it in the comments down below. And yes, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon.